Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. We've all been there. That heart-dropping moment when your transmission refuses to shift. Whether you're dealing with a manual stuck in first gear or an automatic that won't budge, today's video will be your complete guide to understanding and fixing these issues. You know that sinking feeling in your stomach when you're trying to shift gears and nothing happens? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what causes this problem and how to fix it, potentially saving yourself hundreds in mechanic bills. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Now, let's get your transmission shifting smoothly again. Common causes. First up, let's talk about why your transmission might be playing hard to get. The most common culprit? Low or degraded transmission fluid. Think of it as your transmission's lifeblood. When it's low or dirty, everything starts going wrong. You might notice grinding noises, delayed engagement, or even smell something burning under your hood. And hey, speaking of transmission fluid, we've got some top quality recommendations in the description below. Definitely worth keeping a bottle in your trunk for emergencies. But wait, there's more to the story. Your clutch system could also be the troublemaker here. If you're dealing with a stiff or spongy clutch pedal, or if your transmission's stuck in gear, but the shifter moves freely, your clutch might be waving the white flag. Here's something many people don't know about the shift lock solenoid. This little component can cause big headaches, especially in automatic transmissions. If you're stuck in park or first gear, this might be your culprit. Emergency fixes. Now, before you speed dial your mechanic, let's talk about some emergency fixes you can try right now. Safety first though. Pull over to a safe spot and turn on those hazard lights. For all our DIY warriors out there, here's a pro technique called double clutching. Here's how it works. Press the clutch fully, shift to neutral, release the clutch, press it again, and then try shifting into your desired gear. It's like giving your transmission a fresh start. And hey, while we're talking about keeping your car in top shape, make sure to check out our detailed article about this topic on yourmotorcare.com. We've got even more in-depth information waiting for you there. Speaking of transmission issues, if you're dealing with hard shifts in your automatic transmission, don't forget to check out our video on that topic. You'll find it in the end screen of this video. Prevention tips. Now, let's talk prevention. Regular maintenance is your best friend here. Check your fluid levels monthly. And please, for the love of your car, don't rest your hand on the shifter while driving. It's more harmful than you might think. When should you wave the white flag and call a pro? If you're hearing persistent grinding noises or experiencing complete shift failure, it's time. Professional repairs might cost anywhere from $400 to $3,000, depending on the issue. But hey, that's still cheaper than a new transmission. Before we wrap up, here's a quick emergency toolkit you should keep in your car. Basic socket set, transmission fluid, flashlight, and work gloves. Trust me, these tools can be lifesavers when you're stuck on the side of the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Drop a comment below with your own transmission horror stories. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-maintained transmission is a happy transmission. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.